Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Robinhood to your tax documents for better tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the menu section. Look for the option labeled Account and tap on it. Scroll down until you find Statements and History. Click on Tax Documents. Here, you will see select the document titled 1099 for your investment income. Download this document by tapping the download icon. Next, open the tax preparation software or website you are using. If you are using tax software, select the option to import documents. Locate the option to upload a new document. Choose the downloaded 1099 form from your device. Follow the prompts to ensure the document is correctly uploaded. Verify that all relevant income and gains are accurately reflected. If necessary, manually enter any additional information. Make sure to review all entries for accuracy before finalizing. After verifying, proceed to complete your tax filing as per the software's instructions. This process helps keep your investment tracking organized and accurate. You've now successfully connected Robinhood to your tax documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. And if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.